This is a cake with a lot of appeal. Tell them what you're going to be making today.
Okay, so I'm making a classic Italian cake from the island of Capri, and it's called Torta Caprese. So basically, it's a flourless chocolate cake, right?
Yum.
I mean, it's got almond flour, but so what I should have said is it's a gluten-free chocolate cake.
Right.
Is what I should have said.
Yeah, you know I don't bake at all.
So you love to do it.
Yeah, right, exactly.
Okay, so there you go. Make sure no shells get in there.
All right.
Excellent.
All right.
Thank you very much.
Pretty good.
Rachael.
Not bad.
Great job. Rachel.
Not bad.
Do the rest of it?
Well, you want
Let's
this?
do this one first.
Let's
so
do
then I
this
can
one
finish.
first. Okay.
Yeah. And we're going to add a cup of sugar. Go. And I've got 2 sticks of butter and 1.5 cups of dark chocolate that I melted over a double boiler.
Yum.
That one you want to add a little, like a pinch of salt, just to flavor the cake and to stabilize the egg whites just a tiny bit. Okay, so I'm done with this. There we go. So you want to do the yolks, as you know, till they're pale.
They got a swamp with this? Is that
No, honey, that's whipped cream. Don't put that in there. Okay, then...
I thought maybe they gave her a meringue that's already done. Oh, there's one on the back counter. I knew there was one somewhere.
Okay, you want to flip?
Yeah.
Just so people can see what it looks like when you're done with the egg whites.
And because that's loud, you can't hear.
I know.
Here we go.
We got to bake, right? We're
There
doing
we go.
a
That's
baking
beautiful.
show. I got to bake something. All right, so I added the melted chocolate and butter to the eggs. Okay.
And then almond flour.
Almond flour, 1.5 cups. You want to do the...
A little vanilla.
So there we go.
Is that
And the
good?
reason it's almond flour, the reason it's almond flour is because in Capri, they have a lot of almond
They
trees.
have a lot of almonds.
So they use a lot of almond flour to make a lot of their cakes. Okay. And,
Fold these guys in?
Yeah, go.
I don't have the
Oh,
doodad.
here. I'll do it.
There you go.
You don't have a doodad. Well, maybe half at a time.
There you go.
Otherwise, it kind of doesn't keep it as light. And then you just pour this batter into your springform pan that you guys lined nicely and buttered.
So a little bit of parchment on the bottom, guys. A little bit of butter.
It just makes it easier. I mean, at the end of the day, you don't have to do the parchment. You
It'll-
just
it'll
cut the
still work
cake
out.
and leave it on the base until you get to the point where
It'll
you
be
can slip
fine.
it out. But it's more professional if you do the baking. You do that. And then you pour it in there and 350 for 40 minutes, and you can do the rest. There we go.
Yeah.
The reason you want to do half and half, guys, just to savor, to keep it light. Otherwise, you kill it. Yeah, and that's it.
And then we've got one down
You want
here.
to cut it, Rachel, so we can taste it?
Sure.
Have you ever had a torta caprese? Because in the south of Italy, they make them everywhere.
I have. Yeah, my mom is Sicilian, actually.
Oh, right. So you guys make it, too.
We like,
Do you make it
and we
differently?
love cakes like this and olive oil cakes. We like cakes that are not too sweet, that are dense, that are not complicated with a ton of frosting and all that.
Yeah, we're not frosting people in Italy.
No.
I know, right?
Yes.
Oh my God, it's so good.